There, welcome to today's video where we'll be tackling a common problem that many of us might face at some point. We're talking about the classic issue of dealing with an overflowing email inbox. Yep, that never-ending stream of messages that just keeps piling up can definitely be a headache. But fret not, because we got some great solutions lined up to help you conquer this email overload problem once and for all. Now, let's delve into the solution for managing that overflowing inbox. The key here is to set aside dedicated time each day to sort through your emails. By creating a routine and sticking to it, you'll prevent the buildup of unread messages and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to taming the email beast. Another effective solution is to utilize filters and folders to organize your emails efficiently. By setting up specific criteria for incoming messages to be automatically sorted into designated folders, you can streamline the process and find what you need with ease. This proactive approach will not only save you time, but also help you stay on top of important communications without getting lost in the sea of emails. In summary, by establishing a daily email management routine and using filters to categorize and prioritize your messages, you can regain control of your inbox and boost your productivity. So, say goodbye to email overwhelm and hello to a more organized digital workspace. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your favorite email organization hack. Happy emailing!